Good afternoon everyone. I'm here to simulate this motor using LCP Simulator. So first thing first is select quick menus and find quick setup and find motor power and change it into 5.05. Next is a motor voltage, change it into 460. Next is the motor frequency, change it into 60 Hz. Next is the motor current, change it to 10.81. Next is the motor nominal speed, change it into 1770. Next is the ramp 1 ramp up, change it into 15 seconds. Next is the ramp 1 ramp down, change again into 15 seconds. Next is select the main menu and find digital in and out and digital inputs. Select terminal 18 digital input and change it into latch start. And select main menu again and find digital in and out and select digital inputs and find terminal digital inputs again, this one, terminal 27 digital input, and change it into stop inverse. Main menu again and find analog in and out and select analog input 53 and select terminal 53 high and change it to 1770. Next is the reference ramps and select reference limits and find maximum reference and change it into 1770 also. And then select, click auto on and select status. So that's all. It's running. Thank you for watching and God bless.